Meaning of down to earth.
Down to earth.
Down to earth.
Down to earth.
Down to earth. The phrase down to earth refers to a person who is practical, realistic, and unpretentious. Someone who is described as down to earth is considered to be humble, approachable, and straightforward. They are not overly concerned with appearances or social status and tend to have a no-nonsense approach to life. This phrase is often used as a compliment for people who are easy to talk to and who don't put on airs. In short, being down to earth means having a grounded, sensible, and unassuming personality.